Hello, this is my vlog. This is my one today. I've woken up like half an hour ago. It's 11, so I gotta get vlog content quick. Hello, Ella. Yeah. Finally, the best one. It's Moses. What are you doing?
Yeah?
He's not doing anything. He's a dog. Hi, Dad.
Hello,
What are
Neddy,
you
all right?
doing?
I'm just doing a bit of boring accounts. You got to point at me, Poppet, yeah? There, okay. You're doing the vlog, are you, Ned?
Yeah, it's my turn
Oh,
now.
it's going to be boom, innit?
Mm.
It's going to be really cool.
Okay.
We could do washing the dog later.
That won't happen. Hi.
I just made my coffee. Ned, you spilled your cereal everywhere.
Oh. What are you doing, Mum?
I'm washing up again, Ned.
That's a bit boring. I'm going now. Okay. Now I'm going to wake up Toby for being a lazy bar. I'm doing the vlog today.
Alright.
What are you going to do today?
Bike ride.
For the whole day?
Yeah, all day.
Nice. Now we're waking up Ollie, which will be eventful. Hi, Ollie.
Oh, good morning.
You had your turn last week, now it's my turn to vlog it. I'm going to be better than yours.
Are you?
Uh-huh. This is a running machine. This morning's a bit boring, as always, but I'll do something good, hopefully. Doing a dance for 5 minutes. Oh. It's a little bit boring. Probably at 12 o'clock right now and I haven't got dressed, so I've got to do that now. So this is the last time it's going to be in this awesome onesie for today. Cool. So now I got changed. I'm going to do some workout, Joe Wicks workout. A bit boring really. So guys, I've just finished my workout. It was easy, but harder than the last one, I guess. What are you doing this time?
We're doing an abs workout.
I'm watching Tangled.
Yeah.
Weirdos. Well, I'm gonna make some lunch. Don't know what I'm gonna make, but I'm gonna make it good. This is how you make a nice lunch with, you
You're
know,
gonna make it yourself?
not vegan stuff, of course. So,
You turn off your
I'm gonna make some tomato soup.
And you turn off.
Not the hardest thing to make. Is that good? Oh. Cool. Now, yeah, nice. Oh, no, I shouldn't do that. Round 2. Got both of the good things that I need. Some tomato soup.
Very well, Ned.
Ollie.
Hello, Ned. How's the Neddy vlog? It's only 1 o'clock though, Ned, so you've got a lot of hours to make it a good Neddy vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You're so boring today. I spilled tomato soup all over my phone. I just... Okay.
No, I don't need
What are you making then?
Tomato soup and baguette.
I literally got out of bed. I just was... I don't know what I had in the end. I made all this sport and get all
Ollie having a bit of an argument.
You can go in.
What are you arguing about?
Some academic questions where there's no...
I don't think they're listening. Outside.
Your seat's been over a minute.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna eat my lunch now. Just finished my lunch. It's quite nice. Now I've got to go looking for content, which will be a bit of a challenge, but I hope I'll manage. Okay, so me and Toby are gonna go on a bike ride in a bit. What are you doing now, Toby?
I'm a bit of Instagram. I might go to Bristol, Ned.
Yeah. Is lighting good? Yeah, that's cool. You're vlogging.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I bet Ollie's vlogging.
I don't know what the standard of vlogging is. No.
We just had to stop at a bike. We're just doing a bike ride, me and Toby. Gone. How far do you think we've gone?
About 100 miles, 150 miles,
That's how far we've gone.
100 miles. It's a 360 view. A lovely summer's day. Meg hit about 60 miles an hour at one point, didn't you?
Yeah.
So we've done 7 miles out, about to go back, make it 14 miles.
Finally.
Finally. This is Ned out on a bike ride. Here comes Ned in the left lane, overtaking. What's this? A last minute overtake. Oh no, and he's done it again.
Making mac and cheese for tea. Cheese. Yeah, Dad's doing painting.
Dad's painting. Yeah. And you
I'm supposed to help him, but I don't really want to. Pasta.
With spaghetti.
Trying it.
Do you want me to hold it? That's disgusting.
Oh, it's so creamy. Ollie, he's doing weights. Seeing Hattie cake, and it's really nice. What are you gonna do with it?
Make chicken soup, probably.
That is disgusting. Ollie's gonna make me do a blindfold food tasting.
The newest member of the Brown family, Ned Brown, is yet to be initiated into the family. We've all been initiated before you were born.
We've all done this exact same process.
So, what's going to happen is there's lots of things on spoons and there's certain things in shot glasses.
If you fail, Ned, you're out of the family.
Ned,
Yes.
what? No, just open your mouth. All you've got to do is
Don't
open
get
your
it on that
mouth.
jumper.
Well, you couldn't. It's going in his mouth. Right.
Tomato ketchup.
Well done.
Nice. Open your mouth.
Is there salt or anything?
Open wide.
Salt.
You've got to give a number.
So,
Three. Yeah. Third
Here
third
comes the choo-choo train.
No.
Eat it.
Ned,
Cheese and cheese.
Ned, you're
Yeah,
close
cheese,
to a
well done.
disqualification for
Yeah,
not
cheese.
actually eating.
Yeah, well done.
It's vinegar.
Drink it.
It's
then.
not vinegar.
No. Think again, Ned.
I'm not sure.
I think, yeah,
Doesn't really matter, does it?
probably. Oh, it might be.
That's spicy powder. Sounds like a chili drink.
It's mango chutney, Ned.
Oh god, no, what is
No,
it?
No, it is.
Fine,
It's fine.
Drink it. Drink
No,
water.
it's got-
Water.
Wait,
I think that's enough.
chutney.
It's garlic.
Oh.
Glass, shot glass.
Okay.
Just do it all in one go. Just get it.
Go.
Vinegar.
Yes.
Open wide. Open wide.
No, wait.
No, just have some. Just open your mouth.
Mum, is it set back?
No, it's
Fine,
genuinely
fine.
not. Mum doesn't.
Open your
Mum
mouth.
doesn't.
Wait.
Just open your mouth, Ned. It's not optional.
Sugar. No. It's cinnamon.
Yes.
Water.
Is your mouth a bit dry? That's right. You've got one more liquid left. Okay. Basically, you've been given a saving grace there, but now it's all horrible.
Water.
So
You got all over the.
should have saved to the end.
Water.
Here it is.
Ned, you got a guess?
Icing.
No.
It's golden syrup.
Jesus. It was golden syrup. Ned. It was.
How runny?
Do you know what sugar is?
But I do
Guess
actually
this
like
one.
Okay, you should get this.
Flour.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
It was icing sugar. You
Yeah,
did.
good.
So I'm a silly freshman. I win my initiation.
No, you're a champion, Ned.
This is what you want.
Oh, it's all over everywhere.
Right.
I was too scared to do the outro, so I'm the only one. It's the end of my day. It's probably the best one. Bye.
If you like it, share it.
Yeah, like, comment and subscribe if you want.